Hi, my name is Rod Cherkas, and I'm the CEO of Hello CCO. Thanks for joining me today, where we're going to have a short chat with ChatGPT so that you can learn some of the basics of how you might apply this in your day-to-day. Today, we're going to talk about a situation where you may have to create an operations review to present to your executive team. And as I've talked about in previous topics, it's important to describe who it is that you are, so describe your persona and what you're trying to do. And in this case, you're trying to present an operations review as if you were the vice president of customer success for a company and wanted to show their performance for the first half of the year. So an example of a prompt that you could put in would be something like, I'm the vice president of customer success at the name of your company. In this case, the example is our company makes marketing automation software for demand generation departments. You can describe what you're responsible for, in this case, providing support, professional services, customer success management, and education across your departments. And you can describe then what you want to do. I want to prepare a presentation for your executive team that summarizes what you've accomplished, what your organization has accomplished in the first half of the year, define your goals, strategies, and metrics for the second half, and talk about your priorities to improve. Then you can ask ChatGPT to come up, for example, with an agenda summary for this operations review. So you'll see that it comes up with the topics. Right? So it may give you an idea about what to include around your introduction, reviewing your performance metrics, summarizing results from each of your businesses, talking about challenges and lessons learned, and then giving an overview of goals and priorities for the second half of the year. And like most things in ChatGPT, this is a great skeleton in a draft to help you overcome writer's block or you're not sure what to do, but it often is not something that you can copy and paste directly. So maybe another thing that you're thinking about is, well, what are some of the metrics that are most important? And you could simply ask that into the prompt. And if you have specific areas that your company thinks about, you can also add those in. So let's see what it comes back with. So you can see that it comes back with examples for you to think about in terms of results that might be expected from your various functional teams. And you can see if these are relevant for your organizations. Another example of something that you might do is provide additional context to what's been happening in your business. And some of your businesses may have been struggling over the past year. So for example, you could put in a prompt that says our performance this past year didn't meet our original financial plan. Perhaps your retention rate was lower than expected and you weren't able to expand relationships with existing clients. And maybe ask what types of initiatives could you put in place to improve. And ChatGPT comes back with some ideas of initiatives that you might think about. I hope you find this context successful. Please take a look at my website where I have a list of over 250 tips and prompts that customer-facing leaders and frontline individuals can use in their business. I hope you found that useful and you'll listen to more of my videos.